the last thing we want to do is score up all this carbon fiber, right? So just be really gentle as you move through all of this. My reservoir's in the way, so I'm just going to pick it up. Just going to keep fitting it into place. Now, the fresh air intake right here is kind of hard to see. You can see it with your eye, but it's almost impossible to film, but you can see it right here. And as I can see, that neck is starting to kind of, fit down over it. My intake is in good. Just gonna keep walking this whole thing through. Hold my reservoir up so that back flange fits into place really nicely and is lined up nicely. And as you can see, about right there. It's all completely into place now. It's all set in very, very nicely. So all you need to do is take your reservoir, pick this back up, and get this picked up and around, and fit that back post into the grommet right there. Now, impossible to see right now, but in the back of where that grommet is, the flange on this is laying on top of that grommet, and you take the post from the reservoir and fit it in, and then fit it back under this little locking brace right here. And again, remember there's that ridge with the little tooth on it to help hold it in place. Then you can put your T30 back in. But as you can see, it's all really secure and really nice. The other thing that's really great is this is incredibly solid. It is not going anywhere at all. Now, lastly, the other thing you can do while you're here, if you have pinned down your hose coming out of your charge cooler like I just did, go ahead and clear that out of space. You can take your vacuum hose, fit it into place. You should have heard a little bit of a click right there when it went on. There's no reason why you couldn't plug in your MAP sensor right now too, because go ahead and take that. It'll click when that little bracket goes back into place. So you're all basically installed with the exception of the cover and putting some of this stuff back together. Go ahead and put your T30 back in here. Go ahead and take this center bracket right here and you can take it and fit it up in as well. And then also press this down into your hose over on this side. Keep in mind on this side, you've got to walk a little bit of a balance with your hose clamp. It is possible to crack carbon fiber. So you want to make sure that it's tight enough that you have a seal. When you tighten that hose clamp down, you can hold the hose on both sides and see if it moves or separates. Make sure it's tight, but you don't want to just crank on it forever, because it would be possible to crack the carbon fiber, and that would really, really suck. Get this all back into place, your T30, your hose clamp, and all the rest, and then we'll move on to the passenger side.